How exciting is this? We finally got snow on the homestead. But do the chickens and the ducks feel the same way? We're about to find out. I'm gonna start off with our youngest flock. Sal, you ready to play in the snow? Bebop? Gilbert? We'll keep their feed close to home here. We still got some chickens in the chickshaw that's not wanting to come out. I don't blame them. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
We're here at our second paddock. All right, ladies. Let's go check on the ducks.
Oh, they're doing great.
So this morning for breakfast, we got homemade organic pumpkin oatmeal. Yummy. Hungry. Coming out from under the covers, Molly. Definitely warm you up from being out in the snow. You like it, Caroline?
Yeah. Tastes like pumpkin pie.
She likes it. Good stuff. Time to go out and give the ducks some fresh water. Check on their feed. Well, good morning. Looks like they haven't used their hut. They're gonna want to know what these are right here. They'll find their food, and then they'll find their warmth. I think they'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure they know where their food's at. I'll keep on checking on them throughout the day.
Her arm. Oh, her arm's broke. She'll have broken.
Well, there goes the head. Nice snowman. I think the head's gonna fall off again.
No, it's not.
There goes the eye. Looks like our ducks have been using the hut. I put some straw out there earlier and I saw a bunch of imprints inside the hut where they've been laying down. So they finally started using the hut. Awesome. On the plus side today, our layers did give us 15 eggs, which is incredible for a snowy day. The majority of the chickens came out today here and there. Put a bunch of straw down, got their water near the chickshaw. All in all, it was a decent day. They really didn't like the snow too much, which, you know, we kind of knew that going into it. I hope all of you enjoyed today's snowy video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and God bless. See you guys next time.